In this video, I will show you how to organize your Instagram posts so they look like albums. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. So just in case you want to post several pictures that you took on your trip, you don't have to post every single picture, but you can create small little albums that are called carousels. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up Instagram and tap on the plus icon that we see right here on the middle. Then you're going to scroll to the left and you're going to select post. Now here you have the option to only post one picture. Like normal, you would tap on next, and that way you can post your picture. But if you want to post several pictures in an album, this is what you're going to do. You're going to tap right here on this icon that you see on the right, and you're going to start selecting all the pictures that you want to add to your carousel. So now you can do many pictures that you have, maybe pictures that you took on a trip, or simply pictures that you want to share on social media. After you have your carousel ready, you're going to go ahead and tap on next. And here, as normal, you're able to add filters to your carousel. You can also maybe add a song if that's something that you want to do. To do that, you simply have to press music and select a song that you like. And once you're ready, simply tap on next. You can give your post a caption and upload it to Instagram. Hope that helped.